Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for watching my more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa. And in this video, we are learning about how we upload an image in HTML file. Here we write image tag src is equal to inverted commas, and in the inverted commas we write the image name. Like I have uploaded this image in the HTML folder. Now I write here the image name. My image name is img.jpeg. You will see in the browser it will be uploaded. In the alt we add the description of the picture, like I add the description. This picture is a Tom and the people are walking there. I write here people walking. So it's a description, it's not necessary to add in the tags. Now I press on F5 and check on the browser is it uploaded or not. Look, here is the picture which is uploaded here, whose name is image.jpeg file.